Would you like to be surrounded by your own pee and poo all day, every day? Probably not, and neither do fish. Your fish waste releases ammonia into the water, which will kill your fish. Thus, by poo? No thank you! One of the most crucial part of this system is the understanding of the nitrogen cycle. It is a process where beneficial bacteria becomes established in your tank and filter media, allowing ammonia to convert to nitrites. Then nitrites to nitrates. Nitrate levels accumulate in the tank. Nitrate can be absorbed by plants or removed by water changes. In a well-planted tank, plants readily take up ammonia, which is stored